Hey everyone, in this video we are going to solve maximum depth of binary tree. We are given a root of a binary tree and we have to return the maximum depth. So let's take example 1 and try to find the intuition behind this to solve this problem. So to solve this problem, there are two methods by which we can solve this. So first one is the level order traversal. The level order traversal is BFS, breadth first search. We process the tree level by level. Level means this is our first level, this is our second level, and this is our third level. And at every step, we note the number of nodes in the current level, process exactly those nodes, and include their children's. And after finishing each level, we increment the depth counter. By the time the queue is empty, the counter reflects the maximum depth or height of the tree. And in the recursion, we take a edge case and there will be one main condition. So if we stand at root, the answer will be 1 plus max of left height, right height. If we traverse from root node, so the maximum will be left plus right. So the left one is, so for the left one we have to calculate like 1 plus, and since there is no left and right, so it will be 0 and it will return 1. Similarly we see in the right, like it goes to the recursive, and as we are doing the recursion, so we go in the right, so the 20 will check the 7. So 7 return 1 plus left plus right, left and right is 0, so it will return 0, 1. Similarly 15 will also return 1. And then we will check from the 20 that what's the maximum. So 1 plus and the maximum of 1 and 1, which is 1. So the 20 will return 2. And after that we check from the root node what's the maximum, like for this condition 1 plus maximum of 2, 1, which is 1 plus 2, which is 3, and answer will be 3. And I have already told you in the beginning that these are the levels, like first level, second level, and our third level. Now try to write the code. First we have to take a edge condition, as we are using the recursion, and the recursion rule is that we must have to write a edge condition where the recursion stops. So we will return 0 if the root is null. Then we take a variable left height, in which we will again do the recursion and check for the maximum depth from the root left, and we check in the right direction too for the maximum depth, root right. And the main condition will be that we have to return 1 plus max of left height, right height. Let's run this code, submit it. Its time complexity is big O of n and auxiliary space is big O of h, where h is height of binary tree. The height can be at most equal to number of nodes in case of skewed tree and big O log n in case of balanced tree. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.